is Sabina Armstrong and the implement topic is about judiciary. The judiciary is that interprets law and consists of the administrations of the government. Our judiciary, I mean India's judiciary is nothing but it is independent in executive and legislation. In judiciary, we have some kinds. Judiciary is the study of the courts, like Supreme Court. It is located in Delhi, and it is also Supreme Court is also known as Apex Court. State High Court. The Constitution allows the High Court in every single state. Districts and Sessions Court, which has two kinds. That is senior sub judge, which handles only civil cases like family properties, etc. Chief judicial magistrate, which handles only criminal cases like murders, etc. Thank you.